Hi, I'm Nikusha and welcome at the Yacht Cloud offices. Today we're going to give you a unique preview on how we can bring streaming services such as Netflix, Amazon Prime and Disney into your audio-video system. Because one of today's issues is that content can be found in dozens of different apps. But where do you find your favorite movie? The OMNIYON search engine combines online and offline available content. You just search for it like this and see where your favorite movie is available. Press play to watch it. We created OMNIYON to solve the poor user experience of many AV systems. We're making it easier, more fun and simple for the clients.